The lyrebird can perfectly mimic chainsaws, car alarms, and even human speech with terrifying accuracy. This Australian master of deception doesn't just copy sounds for fun. During mating season, males create elaborate sound libraries, stealing calls from over 20 different bird species to build the ultimate playlist. But here's the twisted part. They're actually lying to potential mates about territory quality by faking the calls of birds that only live in premium habitats. These feathered con artists have turned evolution into the ultimate catfishing scheme. Follow Critterbits for more wild animal facts.